Hello everyone, I am Chase, a Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the mini portable power and jump starter coming from Tusk. Alright, so let me introduce you to one of the most handy items to have with you, whether you're out on a UTV ride, your dirt bike ride, dual sport adventure, out on your boat, your car, your truck, you name it. It's this Tusk mini portable power and jump starter. Here's why I love this so much. It's super small, it's lightweight, it only weighs 7 ounces, but in a lot of those situations, you find yourself needing a power source to either run your accessories or to charge your phone, your laptop, whatever it might be. Or, here's the big kicker, if you need to jumpstart your vehicle, car, truck, watercraft, ATV, UTV, snowmobile, you name it, this will allow you to do so. So this thing, you can see it's very small, like I said, lightweight, so it packs up easily. What's great about this is it comes with a wall charger as well as a car charger, so you have a couple different ways to charge it. It has an 8,000 milliamp storage capacity, so plenty of storage capacity to charge your phone a couple of times, charge your iPad if you want to, run your laptop off of it. But what I love so much about this is you can see on the table, we've got these mini jumper cables. So in the event that you need to jumpstart your vehicle, whatever it might be, you literally just plug it in right here on the top. And once you have plugged it in, you're just going to press the power button located on the left side. That will allow you to jumpstart it. And just to give you an idea of how well it works, we have a work here at Rocky Mountain. He has a Chevrolet truck. It's a 6.0 motor. We disconnected his battery. We hooked this up. We jump-started his truck over 10 times easily. So it works incredibly well. Now on top of that, some other great features. So included with everything, you have 3 different connectors that come included. One's going to be for your iPhones, your tablets. You can see you've got a micro USB and a USB-C. So those also will come included. But also here's another great feature. You see on the front here, you have an LED flashlight. So if you press the power button, you hold it down, it will turn on. You press the power button one more time after that, it goes to a flash mode. You press it a third time, it actually goes to SOS. So that's built in, and then to turn it off, you just press it one more time, and there you go. And also, if you do turn this on, if you walk away for a while and it's not connected to anything, it will turn itself off, so you don't have to worry about draining the battery if you turn it on and it's not connected. But again, if you're looking for an amazing accessory to have with you to get you out of a pinch to charge your devices when you don't have a power source, these are awesome to have. If you have any questions or comments about these, leave those below. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, it is very simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, we got a lot more just like it, as long as all our how-to videos, our bike builds, our UTV rides that we're constantly doing. So make sure, get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and that's going to keep you up to date. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.